Hey, wait up. Oh my goodness, what a puppy. What a puppy. We're exploring. I know it. So we're out here exploring, looking at the different weeds, a dandelion. Listen to the birdies. Ah, yes, utility box. Uh-huh. I know it. Okay, big tree. Wait up. What? What do you see? What is it? Uh-huh. What is it? Buddy. Uh-huh. Do you want to go to the tennis courts? Ooh-hoo-hoo. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Yucky water. We had a big rain here last night. Well, obviously we have a potential fisherman among us. He's not at all fearful of this water. I know, I say this is cool. Okay, we're going to take a twig break. And I'm going to have to confiscate that pine limb. Buddy, say goodbye. Say bye-bye, buddy. We'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye.